Okay.
So this is part 4 of our video. This is graphing lines on the calculator, lesson 5.1, and we're now on the second page. And the first one here is asking you to put the equation into slope-intercept form, then use the table to list 3 solutions. So I'm going to use the table. Now slope-intercept form is this one that we've used quite often, y equals mx plus b. The most important part is this here, y equals. This can be in any order really, but if you get y equals, then we can do all that we need to do. So I'm going to start by solving for y. So I'm going to get rid of the 3x, minus 3x, minus 3x. And then what I have left over is 2y equals 12 minus 3x. Just drop that down. And to get rid of the 2, divide 2, divide 2, divide 2. These cancel. Y equals 12 divided by 2, I get a 6. And that's still a minus. 3 divided by 2, that's still here. Now some of you may want to change that to a decimal. There's a place where you could change this 3 divided by 2. And if I go to menu 1, menu, there's 1. I get the regular screen. And 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So if you prefer, you can use 1.5x. So now I'm going to put this into the calculator. Now if you're going to put the fraction into the calculator, we're going to use the parentheses, and where I'm going to go is right here. I've got it set up. To do the solution, to get to the table, I go menu 5. So I just go straight to menu and number 5, and it's got the old equation, so we're going to delete that one. Yes, I want to delete it. And I need to put equation in. So this one will be pretty easy. Let me go ahead and if you need to practice the fraction one, we'll put that one in. And let's see, I've accidentally pushed a button again, so I'm just going to clear it out with the AC button. So I'm ready. 6 minus, use the parentheses, 3 divided by 2, close it, and put the x. Now when I put execute, I get my table right here above the F6. So I'm going to push the F6 and any 3 solutions. They give you 4, 1 and 4.5. It's a decimal. It's not a bad decimal. Might as well just use it. 2, 3. Let me skip that one. I'll use this last one, 4, 0. And again, just ask for 3, and so those are fine. That's how you do that selection of problems. Let me go on down and show you the bottom problem. This is number 4. Now, what we've been doing is solving for y. The problem is with this equation, there is no y. So we can't use the calculator. We can't do this. So we're going to solve for x. So when I have my equation, now what I want is my x. So I'm going to try to get the x by itself. So whatever's with the x here has got to go. So it's got a minus 3, so I'm going to go plus 3, plus 3. That's going to make that negative 3 disappear. And I get the equation x equals 5. Now this equation is actually representing a vertical line. If you had a coordinate plane, I would go to 5 on the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would make a vertical line. And the equation of that line is x equals 5. Now solutions would just be anything that had 5 for the x. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, negative 12, anything, just as long as the x was in the 5 was for the x. So that's how to do the last two problems that I'm going to show. And this is the last video that I'm going to post for lesson 5.1. Thank you.